Now, there's some canons in this piece.
Mm-hmm.
Where are the most notable canons?
Um, yes.
That's a canon.
Yeah.
How about before that? But I'm glad you see that that was a canon, because that's what one most people miss.
Oh, really?
I'm hoping this becomes like a duh moment for you.
Oh.
Oh, but
Oh. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Right.
Now, before that, and I think you hear this by the way you play, there's a spot here that involves, I don't know if this is the correct term, a close canon, where the two things are really pushed up against each other. Can you see? It's the same three notes, and it's the main theme, by the way.
Yeah. Right.
It's so disguised by putting it on the offbeat.
Yeah.
Now, can you do a double octave version of that like this? And just tell yourself that's what you're going to hear when you do play all the different notes. Just listen to this, push the record button in your brain. And now ignore whatever comes out of the piano and just replay what you just heard. Hey, you know how a crystal forms? Where there's a center and then something grows on it, but it keeps repeating the same form over and over till the lattice contains the same pattern over and over. Ti-dum, ti-dum, ta-da, ti. That's a crystal growing. That's a crystal growing. Also, why does he throw in that canon there?
Well, it's the last repetition of the theme, so they're respected.
Yeah.
So.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So I demur from that.
That's true.
See, to me, the answer, I asked the question in a tricky way. The answer that I would give is because it's so darn beautiful.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not like, oh, I can put a clever close canon in at this spot.
Yeah, exactly.
It's so darn beautiful.
Yeah.
Where's the canon in that measure? I may be pushing things a bit. In this measure. Remember, you can alter the rhythm of it.
Yeah.
F sharp and
Yeah.
D. F sharp and D.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Now the theme is here. Da da dee. And notice that in the beginning of the piece, he does it twice. Da da dee, da da dee. So in a sense, even though this is slower and it's coming to a, you do want to feel like it's just starting all over again in a way. It's not ending as much as it's just one last.
Yeah.
Da da dee, ti. Now see if you get that canon. Tom tom ba ti ta ti ta ta ti ta ti ta ti ta ti. Ba ti dum ti dum ti dum. You can play with me a little more on that. Just give me. Don't give it all away at once. And you
Yeah.
The line got broken between the C sharp and the F and the E sharp. And remember what we did yesterday in the Mozart. You can do something like that here and just go. There, you got Lohengrin. Yeah. So now just impose that. See, now there's no technical difficulty in it anymore. These archetypes that you borrow from here and there, they're so powerful because it doesn't leave the hand and the physical mechanism any choice but to connect the notes in a certain way. So the theme today is alternative ways of starting practicing that affirm who you really are as a musician. Who doesn't need the permission of having it technically perfect before she can start making her own statement about the piece. And how sometimes technical stuff solves faster when you do it. Okay.